So now we can create bill of material. Enter the T code /n CS01. Enter. We need to select our finished goods material, stirring assembly. So then enter our plant QP01, then BOM usage. So this bill of material I am going to create for production department. So I am going to enter 1 for production. Then validity date, enter the validity date May 1 2024 onwards, then enter. So here we need to select item category. So under the item category, so we have multiple line items. So I am going to select stock items because our material belongs to stock. Select the component. Component is nothing but raw material or semi-finished. So first I am going to choose bolt assembly. So this bolt assembly quantity 1 number. This bolt assembly is sub-assembly items. Enter item category L. Then select the raw material. So here I am going to select the raw material U joint. Item category L. Enter the quantity. So this quantity we used to call as BOM usage quantity. Under the one stirring assembly, so one bolt assembly and 2 steel rod and 1 steel plate. So here system mentioned as assembly, which means this is bolt assembly, sub assembly product. Under this bolt assembly we have one bill of materials. So now we can save the data. Created bill of material for the part number 2000576. If you want to edit the bill of material, we can use /n CS02, then enter our material, finished goods, plant and BOM usage, then enter the validity from date, enter. So here you can edit, you can change the component or you can remove or add the component, and you can change the BOM usage quantity also. Finally, we need to save the data once again. So now I am going to show you BOM usage status. Under the BOM usage, this is material number, this is my plant, BOM usage 1, alternate BOM 1. So this is bill of material component details. BOM header and BOM item level. So now I am going to show you. This is BOM header level, material number, plant, BOM usage, alternate BOM. Under the validity, change number, validity from date. So this is header details. So this is item level, item number, item category, component descriptions, then BOM usage quantity, unit of measure. So this is assembly, sub item, indicator, validity from to date, and then change number. If you have any Phantom item, so you can mention here, then item ID. So these data is coming under BOM item level. Then SAP BOM item categories. So this is item category. Under the item category, we have compatible unit, document item, enhancement limit, PM structure element, class item, stock item, intra material, non-stock item, variable size item, text items. All the item category coming under component level. So now I am going to show you single level bill of material, multi-level BOM and summarized BOM. Enter the T code /n CS11. The T code /n CS11 for single level bill of material. select our finished good material number, bill of material BOM, then enter plant, enter BOM application PP01, enter validity from date, then execute. So now see here, level 1 bolt assembly, steel rod and steel plate. So here you can see item number, component description, usage quantity, so then the material type, plant, so every details you can get here. /n CS12, enter. So select our final product, BOM component, plant, BOM application, then validity date, execute. So now see here, so the explosion level 1 bolt assembly, under the bolt assembly explosion level 2, which means under the bolt assembly we have two components, bolt and nut. One bolt assembly we are using one bolt and two nut, and BOM level explosion level 1 steel rod and steel plate, which means under the steering assembly one bolt assembly and one steel rod and steel plate assigned. Under the bolt assembly we have bolt and nut, so the bolt assembly is sub assembly, sub component. So this is multi-level BOM. So third type, summarized BOM, /n CS13, enter. Select component, plant, BOM application, validity date, execute. So here you can see bolt, nut, steel rod, steel plate. So we have four components. This is summarized BOM. There is no sub assembly, only the component. So then to display where used list for a particular material, under the SAP EC axis go to logistics, then go to production. Under the production, master data, under the master data, bill of materials, under the bill of materials, reporting. So then we need to select where used list, CS15, the T code, double click. So here we need to select the material. So I want to know the particular material where used to list details. So I am going to choose steel rod, then enter the validity date. So type of where used list, select direct and usage classes, then the material BOM, type of BOM we need to select. So then enter. Go to next screen, enter the plant, execute. Yes. So here, see here, this particular steel rod assembled in this 2000576 stirring assembly component, required quantity is 2 numbers, which means the steel rod 2 number used in this particular component, assembly component. Stirring assembly, under the stirring assembly steel rod 2 number quantity used. This is called item where used list. So then the next topic, deleting a BOM. Go to SAP, enter the T code /n CS02, enter. Select the component, enter. So here we can select the row and then delete. This is item level deletion. Delete the item specified, the second option. So we can delete particular line items, particular component under the bill of materials, or we need to delete the entire bill of materials. Go to header level material BOM and then select delete. Are you sure want to delete the bill of material? So once you select yes, then the bill of material will be deleted. So then go to back. So low level codes /n CS12 execute. We used to call as low level codes BOM levels. This is we used to call as low level codes. Thank you.